Look up. For thousands of years, we've gazed at the same stars, telling stories and dreaming of visiting them, but for most of history, space was just a dream. Now in 2026, we're not just dreaming, we're building, reaching, and exploring. This is a turning point. Our relationship with the cosmos is changing forever. The universe is calling, and for the first time, we're ready to answer. Imagine space as a place for science, business, and humanity's next chapter, not centuries away, but right now. We stand at the dawn of a new era of discovery. Technologies are opening doors we once thought locked. From intelligent spacecraft to new homes in orbit, the story of space is becoming our story. Every step into space teaches us more about Earth and how to protect it. The challenges of space push us to be smarter and more collaborative. The vastness of space is bringing us closer together, reminding us how precious our world is. So, come with me. Let's explore this new era. We'll see how AI gives machines a mind of their own. We'll visit blueprints for tomorrow's orbital cities. We'll walk on the moon again, not just as visitors, but as residents. And we'll discover how these cosmic adventures bring real benefits back to Earth. 2026 is a gateway to a future we once only imagined. Let's step through it together. The stars are no longer out of reach. Our journey is just beginning. The universe is waiting. Are you ready? Let's go. For decades, spacecraft were puppets, every move controlled from Earth with long delays. But space is vast, and communication lags make real-time control impossible. Enter artificial intelligence, the new co-pilot for our cosmic explorers. Now, a spacecraft can think for itself, spotting surprises, making decisions, and gathering data without waiting for instructions. This independence is revolutionary. AI monitors spacecraft health, predicts failures, and solves problems on the fly. It's like having the best engineer on board every mission. With AI, we can explore places we never could before, like the far side of the moon or the oceans of distant moons. AI isn't science fiction. It's a practical tool making exploration possible. Rovers navigate Mars, telescopes sift through data, and missions become faster and safer. AI is the silent partner in our greatest adventures. It's the key to a daring new era of discovery. Our machines are no longer puppets, they're true explorers. The universe just got a lot more accessible, and this is only the beginning. The same AI guiding our ships is transforming life on Earth. Hundreds of satellites orbit our planet, collecting more data than humans could ever process. AI finds patterns in this flood, instantly analyzing images after disasters, highlighting damage, and speeding up rescue efforts. It tracks deforestation, monitors ocean health, and helps farmers grow more with less. AI acts as a global caretaker, warning us when something's wrong. As AI gets smarter, our understanding of Earth grows. We can predict crops, manage water, and track climate change in real time. The intelligence we send to the stars is helping us solve our biggest problems at home. Our journey into space is teaching us how to save our world. The eyes in the sky are sharper than ever. The future of Earth is clearer because of our cosmic ambitions. Space technology is Earth's new lifeline. For over 20 years, the International Space Station has been our home in orbit, a symbol of global cooperation. But the ISS is aging, and its journey is ending soon. This isn't the end of living in space, it's the start of a new chapter. Private companies are building the next generation of space stations. Imagine multiple stations orbiting Earth, each with a unique purpose: business, tourism, science. This shift is like the dawn of commercial aviation opening space to more people and ideas. Lower costs and new economies are emerging in orbit. The ISS taught us how to live and work in space. Now, we're building bigger, more diverse, and more accessible homes above Earth. The next stations will be the ships that let us truly sail the cosmic ocean. The sky is no longer the limit, it's our destination. The future of space is commercial, collaborative, and closer than ever. Humanity's presence in orbit is about to multiply. The adventure is just beginning. Welcome to the new neighborhood. Let's tour the new addresses in our orbital neighborhood. Axiom Space is building modules to attach to the ISS, then become a free-flying station, ensuring a smooth transition. Vast Space is developing Haven 1, a rotating station with artificial gravity, a game-changer for long-term health in space. Starlab from Voyager Space and Airbus will be a state-of-the-art science lab in orbit, hosting global research. Blue Origin's Orbital Reef aims to be a mixed-use business park, research, film studios, even hotels for space tourists. Each station has a unique vision: science, business, or adventure. This is the birth of a true space economy. Soon, orbit will be a bustling neighborhood, not just a remote outpost. Scientists, entrepreneurs, and even tourists will call these stations home. The era of a single space station is ending. The sky is filling with opportunity. The future of space is diverse, dynamic, and open to all. Our new neighborhood is taking shape, above our heads, right now. The next chapter of human spaceflight is already under construction. For 50 years, Apollo's footprints have marked the moon, silent reminders of our first steps beyond Earth. Now, in 2026, we're going back, not just to visit, but to stay. NASA's Artemis program is building a permanent human presence on the moon. Artemis 1 tested the path. Artemis 2 will send astronauts farther than ever. Artemis 3 will land humans at the moon's south pole, including the first woman and person of color. Why the South Pole? It may hold vast water ice, crucial for drinking, breathing, and making rocket fuel. Using lunar resources means future bases won't rely on costly shipments from Earth. Artemis is a global effort, with countries worldwide contributing technology and expertise. The Artemis Accords unite nations in peaceful, cooperative exploration. The moon is becoming a project for all humanity. This isn't just an American dream, it's a planetary one. The next giant leap is a shared step. The moon is our new frontier, and this time, we're here to stay. Building a lunar base is one of humanity's greatest engineering challenges. The moon is harsh, no air, wild temperatures, and dangerous dust. The first habitats will be inflatable, launched compact and expanded on the surface, lightweight but strong. Companies like Sierra Space are testing these habitats now. Long-term, we'll use lunar soil, regolith, to 3D print structures, building with local materials for protection, covering habitats with regolith shields from radiation and extreme temperatures. Power will come from small nuclear reactors like NASA's Kilopower, providing reliable energy through the long lunar night. With inflatable habitats, 3D printing, and nuclear power, a permanent settlement is within reach. The moon will go from a campsite to a true outpost. Innovation is turning science fiction into reality. Our lunar future is being built today. Why go to space? It's not just for adventure or a few scientists. Space technology transforms life on Earth, often in ways we don't expect. Satellite internet, like Starlink, is connecting remote communities worldwide. Medical tech for astronauts, wireless monitors, advanced imaging, robotic surgery, now saves lives in hospitals. Research in orbit could lead to new drugs and treatments. AI from space missions guides disaster response and search and rescue drones. Water purification and fire-resistant materials from space programs protect people everywhere. Every challenge in space sparks solutions for Earth. Our journey to the stars is a journey to a better future here at home. Space exploration is an investment in humanity. The benefits come full circle. We've traveled through 2026 and glimpsed the future. AI is giving spacecraft freedom, and new space stations are rising. We're building homes on the moon, and every leap forward brings benefits back to Earth. The dream of a multiplanetary species is becoming reality. Progress is accelerating, each breakthrough fueling the next. This story belongs to everyone: students, artists, entrepreneurs, The future of space is a canvas for us all. The big questions now are about who we want to be as a spacefaring civilization. How will we govern ourselves? How will we share the benefits? Keep looking up, keep dreaming. The next chapters are unwritten, and your voice matters. The universe is waiting. Let's go.